Hello, I'm Teacher Michael. Today, we are going to divide simple fractions and mixed fractions. Division of simple fractions. Example, 1/2 divided by 1/6 equals n. Let us show the given example through illustration. Imagine the sample equation as circles. The first circle is to be divided into half, while the second circle is to be divided equally into 1/6. In the illustrations above, there are 3 of 1/6 can be taken away from 1/2. Hence, 1/2 divided by 1/6 is 3. Mathematically, division of simple fractions follow the steps below. 1/2 divided by 1/6 equals n. Change the division sign into multiplication symbol. 1/2 times 1/6 equals n. Take the reciprocal of the divisor from 1/6 to 6/1. Multiply the fractions. 1/2 times 6/1 is equals to 6/2. Simplify the result when possible. 6/2 is equals to 3/1 or 3. Let us study this another example. 3/4 divided by 3/8 equals n. There are 2 of 3/8 in 3/4, hence 3/4 divided by 3/8 is 2.